Have you heard that chronic inflammation can silently damage your body, leading to heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer? It's not just the pain, it's the ticking time bomb inside us. Did you know something as simple as the food that you eat could be the key of reducing chronic pain, boosting energy, or preventing chronic diseases? Inflammation is the root cause of so many health issues we face today. But the good news is, with the right diet, you can fight back. In this video, I will show you exactly how an anti-inflammatory diet can help reduce inflammation and heal your body. And stay tuned because I am sharing a powerful vegetarian anti-inflammatory stew recipe that's packed with healing ingredients and good for entire family. Hello everyone, I'm Tiash and welcome to my channel Tiash at California. Some of you already know that I am a health coach and I came across with many people during my practice and I was amazed to see how food reduces the inflammation inside their body. So what exactly is inflammation? In simpler terms, the inflammation is our body's defense mechanism. When something harmful happens to our body, like when our body interacts with some harmful bacteria or virus, or even if some kind of toxins enter inside our body releases some kinds of chemicals. That chemicals causes swelling, pain or redness in that area of infection. This is called acute inflammation. It's short-term and goes away when the threat is removed. Acute inflammation is good for our body. However, when the inflammation sticks around longer than the necessary, it creates chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is slow, long-lasting and can be the cause of most chronic diseases like arthritis, heart diseases, type 2 diabetes and even cancer. Sadly, the lifestyle factor like poor diet, lack of exercise, or even the stress can cause the chronic inflammation. And there is one of the most important factor that we all forget, that is sleep. Our sleep is very much necessary to reduce inflammation inside our body. Now you might be wondering, how can food influence inflammation? Well, the food we eat either can reduce or can increase inflammation inside our body. On one hand, processed foods are high in sugar, refined carbs and unhealthy fats. They are pro-inflammatory. That means they increase inflammation inside our body. On the other hand, anti-inflammatory food have compounds or nutrients that help to reduce the inflammation inside our body. One of the best way to reduce inflammation is eating rainbow-colored vegetables. Each color represents different antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that fight inflammation in unique ways. For example, green vegetables like broccoli and other leafy greens are rich in fiber and phytochemicals that help lower inflammation. Red and orange vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, carrots, pumpkins, they are packed with vitamin C and lycopene, powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Join me for a 21 days anti-inflammatory diet challenge to know all the ingredients that you can eat or cannot eat for anti-inflammatory diet. I will post the link in the description box. Today I'll be showing how to make a super delicious, very easy anti-inflammatory stew using rainbow colored vegetables and red lentils. This super easy and delicious anti-inflammatory stew is perfect to make on busy weeknights. You can also store it in refrigerator in airtight container. Now let's dive into the cooking. First I'm gonna chop some onion. While I chop these veggies, let me tell you why onion, ginger and garlic are so good for you. Onion helps reduce inflammation thanks to quercetin it has. Ginger fights soreness and inflammation with gingerols. And garlic? It's got allicin, which supports our heart and reduce inflammation. These simple ingredients pack a big health punch. Plus, they make everything taste amazing, isn't it? I'm preparing a hearty anti-inflammatory rainbow stew packed with all goodness. Along with onion, ginger and garlic, I'll chop vegetables like broccoli, celery, sweet potato, carrot, tomato and green chili. I'm also adding red lentils, an excellent protein source for vegans and vegetarians. To enhance the flavor and health benefits, I'll include anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, pepper, cumin and coriander. While I chop vegetables, I'll start cooking the onion since it takes time to cook. I'm using just 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter for entire cooking process to keep it light and flavorful. But if you are vegan, you can use olive oil or avocado oil. First, I'm gonna fry the onion until they are little brown. It takes 8 to 10 minutes, but don't skip this process. It makes the dish so flavorful. The onions are slightly brown now, which is perfect. Adding ginger garlic paste next. I'll saute this for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears, blending the flavor beautifully. While it's cooking, I'll be chopping my rest of the vegetables very quickly. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, great for immunity and skin health. Broccolis are packed with vitamins C and K. It boosts immunity and supports our bone health. Celery, a crunchy and versatile vegetable rich in vitamin K, folate, potassium and calcium. It also has many antioxidants that protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. My onion, ginger and garlic are ready now. It's time to add the rest of the vegetables. I'm adding the celery first. Next goes the bell peppers. I'll be sauteing this for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, I'll be chopping my rest of the vegetables. Our mothers and grandmothers always told us to eat carrots for eye health, isn't it? Yes, it's packed with beta-carotene. They promote eye health and also add a touch of sweetness to our dish. And it is dog-friendly too. Next goes sweet potatoes, which is high in fiber and vitamin A. They are great for digestion and also skin health. I'm adding the chopped carrots and sweet potatoes into my Dutch oven now. Their natural sweetness blooming as they sizzle, following with fresh crisp broccoli. Letting that trio dance together over heat for 2 to 3 minutes. A sprinkle of salt to taste. And the golden touch of turmeric join next. After adding the turmeric, sprinkle in a dash of paprika or chili powder depending on your preferred level of heat. Next goes homemade roasted coriander and cumin powder. Blending everything together. It's time to add the chopped tomatoes now. Their juices will infuse the spices, creating a fragrant, colorful harmony. As the tomatoes soften, I am going to cover my pot with the lid for about 5 minutes, unlocking the flavor of all the vegetables and let them release their juices. See, the vegetables already release their juices. Now the red lentils enter into the scene. Mingling into this aromatic mix, the creaminess of the red lentils will soon thicken the stew. It's time to give everything a good mix now. We're gonna cover it with the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes again. My vegetables are already half cooked now. It's time to add some water. Now I'm pouring some hot water, just enough to achieve the perfect stew consistency. Low to medium heat ensures every ingredient whispers into goodness into the dish. I'm going to cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Now it's time to enjoy as the magic unfolds. The sweet potatoes tenderize, the lentils melt, and the stew become lusciously hearty. As the final touch, a sprinkle of oregano and a pinch of garam masala, which has the warm embrace of cardamom, clove and cinnamon powder, elevates this comforting stew into a symphony of flavors. Serve it warm with a dash of lime juice. Each bite an explosion of warmth, spice and nourishment. Perfect for family, soul-soothing and irresistibly good. From today's video, if you have learned something about the benefits of anti-inflammatory food and if you have enjoyed this delicious journey of flavor and warmth, don't forget to show your love. Hit subscribe, like and share to spread the joy of cooking and nourish more hearts with these easy, wholesome recipes. Every click supports me in creating more mouth-watering meals that are perfect for your family and loved ones. Plus, be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming anti-inflammatory whole day meals from breakfast to dinner, designed to keep you feeling your best. And get ready to join me for YouTube live exercise sessions starting January 2nd, every Monday to Thursday from 5:30 to 6 p.m. California time. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Your support means the world to me and my family. If you like this recipe, I'm sure you will like my soup recipes too. Please click the link that is popping up on your screen now.